Vice President Constantino Chiwenga says President Mnangagwa is behind the 2030 political agenda and is working with corrupt elements who are funding his controversial campaign to extend his rule beyond his 2028 second term constitutional limit to 2030 or 2035. Sanabina Mashuko Blaj kwa Zimbabwe, Iowa on a 2017 political path. Once again, don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipping up the news of Samblanyura Chiti. This, Chiwenga says, has set the country on a pre-2017 like dangerous coup path. This comes as the ZANU-PF annual conference opens today, running from 13 to 18 October in Mutare. In a document to the ZANU-PF Presidium and Politburo presented on September 17, Chiwenga, in quotes, "Today, history is repeating itself in the most shameful way. Comrade President, why we find ourselves in this situation is both shocking and shameful. Comrade President, on several occasions and even abroad, you have informed the nation that you are a constitutionalist, and yet it is now clear for anyone to see that the so-called 2030 agenda to extend your term of office is real and alive, and this has now taken us back to the issues that led us to November 2017. This comes as the ZANU-PF annual conference opens, running from 13 to 18 October in Mutare. In a document, Chiwenga presented to the Politburo has made it clear that the drivers of this so-called 2030 agenda have now made corruption, looting of our state coffers, and bribery of our structures the cornerstone of their contribution to the campaign. And this is now destroying our party and violating our constitution. We are witnessing in shock as some of our officials in the party and government have now become a law unto themselves and are even announcing to our people at gatherings that we are no longer holding elections in 2028. These are critical announcements on matters that we as the Presidium and the Central Committee have never discussed, or did we pass a resolution in the last 2022 Congress. The reality which is clearly emerging is that this 2030 agenda is being funded and driven by known criminals who have brazenly looted our state coffers with impunity and are now using these resources, whose capture and control of our party is unprecedented and deeply worrying. Thomas Wantagwana Chiwenga panguwa inachita aiwa panguwa inoi zvinhu zviri kuitika mubato zvinhu zvinyatsonekwa kunzi zviri kuuya zvichikanganisa bato redu and panguwa inoi zviri kutungamirwa nevanhu vanokunzi zvigananda macriminals and zviri kutilida back to the 2017 coup. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ava pina comment section medu zvamafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.